In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly with your customer success team, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean, automated scheduling flow that fairly distributes meetings across your team and protects their time. Start by logging into Calendly. From your home dashboard, look for the Create button. This is where you'll build event types and team scheduling rules. Choose the Round Robin option. Round Robin automatically assigns new bookings to the next available teammate, which helps balance workload and reduce response times. Next, add your team members to the Round Robin. Type in each person's name or work email. Make sure they've connected their calendars in their own accounts, so availability is accurate. While you're here, set roles. Give editing access only to the people who need to manage event types and integrations, and keep others as members to avoid accidental changes. Create specific event types for your most common customer success meetings. Typical examples include onboarding sessions, quarterly business reviews, recurring check-ins, and escalation calls. For each event, set a clear title, a helpful description, and a duration that matches the agenda. Choose a location like a video conference link or a phone call, and add any prep questions you want customers to answer in advance. Define working hours for each event type. If your team spans time zones, set availability in local time, and let Calendly handle the conversion for invitees. Connect your work calendars so existing commitments are automatically blocked. This is essential for preventing double bookings. Add buffers before and after meetings to allow for preparation and follow-up. Also set daily or weekly meeting limits to protect focus time and reduce burnout, especially for longer sessions. Link your primary work calendar for a true two-way sync. This ensures Calendly avoids conflicts and that new bookings show up instantly on your calendar. After connecting, do a quick test booking to confirm everything lands in the right place with the correct conferencing details. Integrate with your core tools. Connect your video platform so links are generated automatically, your chat app for instant notifications, and your CRM to log meetings without manual work. Use email and SMS reminders to reduce no-shows. Share your booking links from the event page or team page, embed them on your website or help center, and add them to email signatures for quick access. Finally, explore advanced team and workflow features. Use routing to send customers to the right event based on form responses, fine-tune round-robin rules, standardize reminders and follow-ups, and review analytics to optimize performance. With these settings in place, your customer success team will book faster, meet smarter, and protect their time.